So we are making a pasta dish, but with a unique pesto. So we're going to be using pistachios, we're going to be using mozzarella cheese, and some other things too. So let's get the pasta started because that's going to take a little bit longer. So yeah, so get yourself some tubi pasta because the sauce gets trapped in there and it's delicious. So right. So we're going to put this whole bag into a pot of boiling salted water. All right, so we're gonna start with some diced pancetta. Pancetta is it's like Italian bacon basically. It's pork belly. It's been cured with some spices, Italian spices and such. So we're gonna toss it in there. You can put it in a cold pan. Doesn't have to be a hot pan. Just get it out. Oh, it wasn't free. It was a lot of money, but you know we worked our butt off and fundraised and everything, and yeah, we might be almost done with the pancetta. Yo, like fireworks here. Y'all saw that, right? I should get that. I know in the recap, I should get that slow mo. Oh my gosh. We might be almost done with this pancetta. Yo! Alright, so just turn your heat down if it starts popping at your face. Okay, sorry. Back on track. Pesto. Basil, burrata. Now, I saw one recipe called for 2 cloves of garlic. We like garlic in our household, so we got 4 big old cloves of garlic. Well, okay, so 3 big ones and like a baby. Okay, so 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, depending on your preference. We're going to use pistachios. So this is about a little less than a cup of pistachio. We might need all of it. We might not. All right, and of course olive oil. We're going to drain our pasta, but we're going to save about a cup of pasta water. Okay. All right, so here's our magical blender thing here. All right, so in there, we're going to add our burrata, our 2 things of burrata. Get that off on the burn. So we're just gonna plop, plop. If it leaks, oh, so this is what burrata looks like. If you've ever seen it, so when you open it, it's like got a creamy inside. It's not very appealing, but it's delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna plop that in there. Save this for leftovers, right? Okay, we're gonna toss in our basil. I got dried and the fresh. Well, it was all fresh. It's just from my garden. It's okay. It's got a few little black spots on it. It's not moldy, so it's fine. All right. Oops, I dropped some. Everybody in. All right. Then we're gonna throw in our 4 cloves of garlic. Yo, this is gonna be something. Did I tell you guys the very first time I ever cooked anything or tried to cook anything was a pesto, and it was an epic failure? Yeah. All right. So we're gonna put in. Yeah, let's do it all. About a little less than a cup of pistachio. Okay. Yeah, so I confused. I was like 8 or 10 or something. I wanted to make my first, I wanted to impress my mom. So it was actually after watching one of these like these very first cooking shows, like I think it was Take Home Chef with Curtis Stone, and I'm struggling busting tonight. I wanted to make a pesto, and I'm like, Mom, give me everything. She got me everything, and olive oil, and I didn't know the difference between a clove of garlic and a bulb of garlic. It called for 2 cloves of garlic, kind of like this does. I put 2 bulbs. Oh, nah. All right, so we're gonna put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That much olive oil. I don't know how much it is. It's probably about a 1/4 cup. About 5-second glug of olive oil. I know, I'm so scientific. Oh, and salt. And I get a good healthy pinch of salt. Okay, the pistachios, I think so the pistachios are salted, so you can always add more salt later, okay? But we like it salty, so it's gonna go in the pasta. It's gotta flavor everything, so. All right, fingers crossed, here we go. I think we're done. So we made a really creamy pesto that we're gonna toss in our sauce. All right, so we are going to, so in there, we just got a little bit of our pancetta and our oil. That is going to kind of, I want to say lube up the pasta, but it's basically what it's doing. Okay, so let's get that in. Oh no! Oh, Bailey gets a pasta. This is just one. It's not in anything yet. Okay, so I undercooked it by about a minute because we are going to finish cooking it in this. All right, so we're going to toss in our tomatoes. Yes. Yeah. All right. Pasta, tomatoes. Let's get the pesto in. Oh my goodness. Look. Store-bought, what? Like, don't, in a pinch, store-bought's okay. But this, I tell you, it's going to be amazing. It's cheesy, it's pesto-y, like, there's basil and herbs, and oh my god. So much. Just don't get the blade in there. Oh, but there's so much stuff on the blade. Hold on. Be careful. The blade will cut you if you are not paying attention. Okay, so grab it, scrape it all off. Nothing goes to waste. Nothing goes in the sink. That's supposed to go in our food. So, like, I had this like a mini food chopper thing. Just put it in a blender. If you don't have that, just grind it all together. Like, it's fine. Either chop it up really, really small. If you have a mortar and pestle, that works too. Yeah. Yes. And so if it's not covering everything, remember that pasta water we saved? So this has starch in it. So go ahead and drizzle a little bit in. You might not need the whole thing. Maybe you want it really, really loose, so you add the whole thing. I start with maybe a quarter cup at a time. So that will help to loosen up the sauce, cover all those noodles. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Exactly. So here we are. So we're gonna let that reduce just a little bit. So there's the sauce. Looking good. This is nice and crispy. So I sprinkle a little bit in there just to get it mixed through. And then we'll top the dish with some as well. If you don't have pancetta, you just use bacon. If you can't do bacon, do turkey bacon. It's all good. Let's add our crispy pancetta. Like I said, it's basically fancy Italian bacon. All right, and then we'll add our cheese. Don't grate your fingers. That's all we need to do. Oh, okay, or the whole block. That works too. Cheese bay. Say when. So there we have it. There is our burrata pistachio pesto. That's a mouthful. So yeah, so it's a burrata pesto that we made with pistachios and garlic and olive oil. And then we fried up some pancetta, made it a little crispy. We have some rigatoni, mixed it all in. That's what you got. So yas. Here we go. Mangia, it's so freaking hot. Well, at least the alternative is better than cold, right? All right. Get a little bite of everything on there. Mangia. Oh, God. Look at pancetta. That's so good. Do the extra garlic. If you like garlic, you'll like this. Oh, man. I love that little crispy pop. Oh, there's it. We got a nice, good amount of cheese on there. You can see the garlic. Mm. Just talk amongst yourselves. This is so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Sun-dried tomatoes. I think next time I make this, it'll be with sun-dried tomatoes. So good. You can even toss peppers in there. That would be really good. But this is just classic. You don't have to worry about a whole nother protein. You do get some protein with the bacon and, or sorry, the pancetta. And there's protein in cheese too, right? Mm-hmm. 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 Oh my god, you guys gotta make this. Easy. You know, this would be a good, like, well, I say date night, but since you're both eating garlic, what's the difference, right? Easily to impress somebody and easy to do. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye guys.